DJT stock analysis, Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in the short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at Trump Media and Technologies, sitting at $31.07. I do see a 2.5% decrease in price. An overall bearish kind of looking chart. What I think I had, like, not that I think, I do have a line pointing towards the upside, and I'm going to explain what that means. I've gotten thousands of correct predictions over the last 4 years and spent thousands of courses and mentors. I've documented everything, and generally looking at this, what I'm really aware of is the fact that higher time frame looks so solid and so juicy, but it really just needs to give me the signs and just to kind of equip me with the confidence that this thing can really start picking up. And I'm only really going to be a big fan of that. My bad. It's not SL, it's a pretty... Like I said, the only time where I'm actually going to begin being a fan of this thing, you know, and start to take it up is if the moment I start seeing double breaks forming around there. Again, it's a very specific approach, but that's why I will keep you updated. And yeah, that's about it. It's not financial advice, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple yet lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.